Okay, hi everyone. Welcome to Networkings. Let me check if I'm live. Okay. Hey everyone. So we'll be starting in next 2 minutes. So I'm just waiting for people to join. Okay, hi everyone. Hello Jitender. Hello Piyush. Hello Neeraj. Okay, so what we are going to learn today. So आज हम क्या देखने वाले हैं? So what we are going to see, we'll be talking about the latest technologies in networking today. Okay, and some news also. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so the intro, I'll start from here. So the companies today, okay, so they are rely on more heavy technologies today, because the is increasing day by day. Okay, and the networking infrastructure is also increasing day by day. ओके मीन्स जितने भी नेटवर्क डिवाइसेस हमारे दिन ब दिन क्या हो रहे हैं, इंक्रीज हो रहे हैं, राइट? सो व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग, वर्चुअलाइजेशन, साइबर सिक्योरिटी, इंटरनेट ऑफ थिंग्स, okay, everything is now getting combined. Okay, and this is the reason networking is a very very important and critical aspect of modern applications today. So modern applications like when it comes to any application like Instagram, TikTok, or any application in world today, so every company needs a very critical network. Okay, so today we will be talking about the current trends and some news about the things like what is going on in the market today. Okay, so again, those who joined just now, so hi, welcome to Networkings. Okay, so the topic for the live session is today navigating the latest IT networking trends. Okay, so we'll be focus on like what are the trend today in IT networking. So what is emerging technologies today? So the world of IT networking is constantly changing, okay, updating day by day, and there are two, three more new technologies which are going to be the game changer in the market. One is a 5G, because mostly all countries are looking forward for 5G networks, and the another technology is Wi-Fi 6, and additionally also blockchain networks. Okay, so blockchain is basically like all the transactions, maybe basically you need to understand what is blockchain. Okay, so maybe I can create another video on that blockchain. But nowadays, like all the equipments, all the devices in the network, okay, still the networking part is still there, but all the transaction, all the basic transactions on the like whether it is on the payment gateways and all. So there is an update, like maybe companies are looking forward for the blockchain technologies. Okay, so don't compare blockchain with bitcoins. Bitcoins is a cryptocurrency which uses blockchain, but blockchain is a very big domain in the market today. Okay, so blockchain is a very big technology in the market today. Okay, so if you heard about web 3, which also uses blockchain. Okay, but yes, we do not have to focus on the future trends right away, because some people, those who watch our content, okay, suppose if I'm a fresher today, I will not go and learn directly blockchain, so that is of no use right now, that you are learning blockchain technologies right away. You need to start again from the basic. Okay, so I'm just talking about the emerging technologies, that 5G is everywhere. Even my phone, like I just upgraded to 5G, and I'm getting almost 1 Gbps internet speed on my mobile phone. Okay, so my broadband is not giving me that speed what my mobile is giving me right now. 5G is already deployed in India and other parts of big cities. Okay, additionally, it is mostly deployed in all countries nowadays. Okay, so this is the reason, means every company is looking forward for 5G networks. Every company is looking for Wi-Fi 6, blockchain functionalities also for the security of their data. So the data storage and the data services, they are looking forward. Okay, so when it comes to the technologies, okay, So the IT is shaping, and the networking is very critical factor, as I told you. So what is going on in the market today? तो अभी क्या चल रहा है नेटवर्किंग में? So mostly companies are looking forward for the hybrid cloud method. So one is private cloud. So what is private cloud? When all your data is on the private cloud. And private cloud means that you are not taking any public cloud. Public means AWS, GitLab, okay, Microsoft Azure, or maybe Google Cloud. All these are public cloud. But there are many companies in the market today which are giving you private cloud also. Okay, so you can discuss with the IBM, you can discuss with the major big players in the market also provide private cloud. So private cloud means that they are creating the cloud for you, and you can put your servers on that cloud. Okay, it is more secure than public cloud. And what is hybrid cloud? Means you can still use your company networks, you can still use the servers, and you can also deploy some applications on cloud. Okay, so the major technologies nowadays which on the correct technology trend. Okay, so these are the emerging technologies, still they are in pipeline. Maybe blockchain will be the hit in the market, maybe it will not be. Okay, because blockchain is still, people are just thinking to move. Okay, because the current infrastructure we have and the current transactions we are doing, we can't fully move to blockchain right away. So that's why it is called emerging, means it is in the emerging state, it is in the still development process. But the technology trends today, तो अभी क्या चल रहा है, what is the technology trend today? Okay, so that is, let me use here, yeah. So you can see here network automation, okay, and the impact of AI. Okay, so I will create another video which I'll show you how AI is impacting the IT networking or not. Okay, artificial intelligence. Okay, there are some tools in the market today which are actually giving lot of what we call suggestions in the network, that if user is getting lot of tickets, if network has issues, so the AI can find those errors and give a recommendation to network engineers to fix the issue. Okay, it is but I'll cover this in another. But the trends are today network automation, okay, and the AI and machine learning on IT networking, means big companies like Cisco and Juniper Networks. Okay, so they are already on the AI and machine learning of IT networking. But do not worry, the jobs are safe, because the technology is booming and we need more people. The AI tools or the machine learning is only going to eliminate the repetitive task. Okay, so the companies who are going to use AI or machine learning, they will only going to just improve their network services. But still, people still required to build VLANs, still people required to connect computers with the switches, okay, troubleshoot the networks. But yes, the all those engineers have to update their knowledge with the network automation, AI, or maybe. Okay, but in still, if you do not learn for next 3 4 5 years, still you are safe. Okay, but hopefully you will not wait for that day that companies are firing people that you do not know network automation, right? So that's why network automation is definitely important. But till 3 5 years your jobs are safe. Okay, because many companies, I'm talking about India especially, still I think uh, in next 5 years means people are not going to just remove their current infrastructure, because current infrastructure is very costly. Okay, so they are not going to move their whole company networks to the AI. But yes, the technology is changing oftenly. Okay, so we used to call on the landline phones, now we are then the black and white mobile phones came into the picture, then the color phones, then the smartphones. Okay, so the technology is changing from the if you see the mobile market, the same technology is changing in the IT networking sector also. Okay, but again the basic requires same. Okay, so network optimization is the current market. Okay, so what is that? So why companies are going for network optimization? Because they want to improve their network performance. Because suppose this is a router, and l- this is a switch, and lot of computers are in the company networks. Okay, and they have just one link which is like 1 Gbps internet. Okay, So now these users, maybe some, there is a meeting room here, okay, and so these people are not able to get the proper bandwidth. Okay, so means because there is an important meeting going on and you want to give the priority to this meeting room, right? So maybe these people are just watching YouTube on your, in your company, so you do not want to give the priority to the YouTube people, right? Maybe they are just listening to any music, right? So you want to give the priority to the people who are in the meeting room, right? तो मीटिंग रूम में प्रायोरिटी ज्यादा दोगे आप, है ना, नॉर्मल जो लोग यूट्यूब कर रहे हैं. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड नेटवर्क परफॉर्मेंस optimization, that you need to improve your networking today. And these topics are already there in your CCNA CCNP content. Like you learn quality of service, you learn about lot of technologies in CCNA CCNP. But this is not the only requirement of the company. Network optimization is a big general word. You need to improve the network security as well. Means you need quality of service, you need security in the company network, so that you can deploy firewalls, so that you can have a firewall layer. So the attackers on the internet, they should not come in my company network. So means every network engineer has to learn today network security. Okay, because the days are gone when people are happy to hire only routing switching guys, but now there is another S is added here, routing switching and security. So security is must for everyone now. Because but yes, the people who are applying jobs in ISP like Airtel or Geo, so they do not have to go for security, because still Airtel, Geo, and they are still looking for routing switching. But again, ISP networks are also going to change in the future, and I'm sure you do not want to restrict yourself in the ISP domain, because the growth is not that great. Because ISP, if you just stay in the ISP, service provider networks, so there are only like 10 to 12 companies in the world, okay, which are giving high salaries in the ISP domain. But 80-90% companies, 80% companies are enterprise. So enterprise means like Apple, Samsung, all these companies, so they need security knowledge in their networking jobs. So obviously you will always eager to apply jobs in Apple or Samsung or maybe LinkedIn. Okay, so you will be having the dream companies like that, right? I'm sure like mostly people do not aim for dream job in, I hope you understand, right? So the normal ISPs means people do not dream. If they get job, that's okay, but those companies, maybe they are not the dream companies for them, right? Because they are not paying that much. So the whole things we like what why we are learning, 80% companies are like product based companies or service based companies, and 20% companies in the market are like ISP kind of jobs or MSP. There is a term called managed service providers, which is very common in US, Canada, and all. And you need to improve the network reliability. Okay, so these three things are required from any network engineer today, so that you need to understand how to improve the network performance. Okay, you need to understand how to improve the network security, and you need to understand how the company networks will be reliable. Okay, reliable when you use good products, right? So instead of recommending Cisco products, maybe just suppose you are recommending any Chinese company, which is not maybe stable, and then companies are going to ask you that why you recommended some China brand or something, right? So I'm not just, so means they are also good, but I'm just comparing with other vendors. And also there are some Chinese brands also which are very good. Okay, but there are many which are not good. Okay, so this is how we need to understand the network optimization. So if you have any questions, guys, you can put down, okay, in the chat. Okay, so let me show you some trends today. What is going on in the market? Okay, so I just open this website, which is Network World. Okay, so you guys can always refer this website. Okay, whenever you guys have time. Okay, so this is what I used to learn from last 4 or 5 years. I always go to this website and read some documents. So right now, so there is a news here that AWS is boosting their infrastructure for a memory intensive task. सो इसका मतलब ये है कि AWS अपनी इंफ्रा को बहुत बड़ा कर रहा है. दे आर इंक्रीजिंग द इंफ्रा because the load is getting high, and this is the demand of cloud computing. This is the demand of cloud network engineers, cloud system engineers. So everyone has to adapt the cloud technologies. Okay, I will give you the path. If you do not know what is my career path, I will give you the path also, don't worry. Okay, so this is what you guys can recommend, read here, that AWS is almost going to im- uh, get around 25% higher performance devices, because many companies are putting if you just go to any big company, like suppose if I search for Netflix and if I go for AWS, so just search AWS plus Netflix, and then maybe you can you can search for collaboration or something like that. Okay, so use kind of, so you can see here there is a news here. Netflix built a studio on AWS. Okay, means they are rendering the videos or they are producing their content with the help of AWS, and they have almost, you can see, hundreds of functions that in total use more than 1 lakh server instances on AWS. Means Netflix has around 1 lakh server instances on AWS. Okay, so this is how you understand that what is the demand and all. Okay, and you can always go and read their partners who, this is not the only company, Netflix. If you go and search Apple AWS collaboration, so you can see there is a news in 2019 that Apple invested $30 million a month. मतलब $30 million आप कैलकुलेट कर लेना इंडिया में. ठीक है, सो एप्पल स्पेंड ऑलमोस्ट 30 million on Amazon cloud every month. Okay, so I hope you are getting now, but nobody told you this earlier in any of the video. Okay, so this is a great sign that not just big companies, even the small companies are moving to cloud. But do not think that I have to start my career with cloud. This is the biggest mistake people are doing. So they are directly enrolling in the AWS courses. They understand AWS, but when they go for apply jobs, people are asking experience, because very few companies are hiring freshers in cloud domain. So it means you need to start your career from basic IT jobs and then move to network jobs or cloud jobs, sorry, security jobs or cyber security, then move to cloud. Okay, so this is, I'm just recommending you. Okay, that's your choice that how you want to go. But this is, I'm from the industry from last 11, 12 years. I have seen that what is going on in the market. Okay, that's why I'm giving you the recommendation. Okay, so not just Apple, maybe Samsung is using some AWS, or maybe they are using, you can see there is a Samsung engineering case study also. And the same way, Azure is also doing very well in the market. That and the best thing is that these companies are not relying. तो ये companies सिर्फ AWS पे rely नहीं कर रही हैं. They are not relying on AWS. They are also relying on multi-cloud. So what is multi-cloud? That if you are a big company, you do not depend only on AWS. So multi-cloud is also very good in the market today. Okay, so multi-cloud क्या है कि आप अपना सर्वर एक जगह नहीं लगाओगे. Okay, you are not going to put your server in one cloud platform. You are going to put some of the applications in Google, some of the backup in Azure, and some of them in the AWS. This is the best design right now in the market today. And there are many companies who are doing this. That is like Aviatrix and all. ओके, सो एवियाट्रिक्स एक ऐसी कंपनी है जो मल्टी क्लाउड फीचर देती है. सो मल्टी क्लाउड मीन्स like you can deploy your AWS, Azure, and Google. Okay, so these things in common platform. Okay, you do not have to go on AWS separately. You do not have to go to Google separately. तो आपको 3 अकाउंट नहीं बनाने. You just go to Aviatrix and they will do it for you. Okay, and this is means they are doing great. This is like a startup maybe, because the previous news was they raised around $40 million for multi-cloud management tools. I think this is little old, no, what we call update, but yes, they are doing well in the market. Okay, so they are doing well, definitely. And so cloud is definitely we have to look forward for, but we do not skip the fundamentals. Okay, so if you are a fresher, you can't skip the basic networking knowledge. Okay, you can't skip the basic Linux knowledge. Okay, so means you need to understand your career path. That's very important, and that's why like what we have done at networkings, like we have created a course which is like free for everyone, that if you need a guidance, we have created a, like I have created a lot of videos along with my other engineers. Okay, we have created a program which will give you the full insights. Okay, so that how you can become a cloud engineer, how you can become an ethical hacker, or how you can become a network engineer. So this is a free course. You guys just click here, continue, and directly you can just go for and enroll for that course. Okay, so that link I'll be sharing in the chat. So those who looking forward to join this free course, they can enroll. Okay, and they can watch the content and at least take wise decisions. ये तो ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई भी करियर ऑप्शन चूज करो, पहले समझो कि किस चीज में मुझे करियर बनाना है। ओके, उसके बाद आप शुरू करें इसे। ओके, सो दिस इज आई हैव शेयर्ड इन द चैट गाइस। Yeah, I have shared in the chat, you guys can see. Okay, so let's see your questions. Okay, you guys can ask me questions. I am here for another 15 minutes. Okay, you can ask any doubt you have. You can ask in Hindi, English, whatever you want to type in the chat. Okay, so let me. Okay, questions. Okay, so somebody is saying he is not able to join my course because of high cost. See, we are taking our live courses for, like, our courses are not costly, they are value for money if you understand the value. If you don't know the, if you don't understand the value, then it feels like they are costly. Okay, so because we need to maintain first of all lot of servers in networkings, that's why the cost is high, because we give unlimited lab access to our students. Okay, we are not giving like 1 hour daily lab access, we are giving like 24 by 7 lab access to everyone. Okay, normally if you see in the market, if you join CCNA CCNP in market, okay, from anywhere, even if you take any video courses, okay, normally like people take CCNA for around 30-40 hours. Okay, and CCNP they take combo like 60-70 hours. Means if you see CCNA CCNP, people are like all the companies in the market today, so they are just maximum they are teaching 100 hours. Okay, this is okay. So whenever you enroll for any program at anywhere, just ask them that how many number of hours you will deliver content. Okay, and whenever you buy the video content, you can check the hours, that how much in depth, because the more number of hours means the number of the detail is too much in the course. Okay, so I'm just saying that CCNA CCNP in the market, people are taking just 80 to 100 hours. Okay, 80 to 100 hours for CCNA CCNP. And what we are doing here, so CCNA, like we teach almost 60 hours. CCNP one module we take around 60 to 70 hours. Okay, so another module is also 70. So it means we are taking almost 200 hours of training. Okay, this is networkings, double knowledge. I hope you got the point now. So we do not want to, like what we call, we do not want to give half knowledge to the world. That's why if you compare, you feel like okay, it is little costly, but the premium things comes with a little extra charge, obviously, because CCNA CCNP you learn in 6-7 months, and just imagine that for 6-7 months you are using our servers, which are very powerful. Okay, so within just 1 second you will be open the device. Let me show you the speed, just hold on. You just open the lab, you just go here, start the devices. Okay, within 1 second the devices are on. Just check how much time the devices are taking in your laptop, and you can just open the device directly from here. Okay, so this is what we have built. And अगर आप अपने ये राउटर अभी तक ऑन भी हो चुका है. Okay, if you try to use GNS3 EVNG and all, it takes a lot of time. Okay, and also this is time saving. Okay, so we are not, what we are doing, we are helping people so that they do not waste time, because I have personally seen that people spend hours, okay, or days also to install softwares, then they do not get images, okay, then there are a lot of other issues. That's why we have lab workbooks, everything is, most of the things are organized, and we are improving day by day. I'm not saying we are 100% perfect, we are improving day by day, but yes, we have almost, like if you see the results what we are doing, okay, अगर आप रिजल्ट देखो ना, उस पे बात करते हैं ना. So what we are doing, like we are helping a lot of people to get certified. First of all, like getting certifications like cyber security, people getting certified. This is like just yesterday the Harsh from networking, he got CompTIA pen test, which is a cyber security certification. And if you keep scroll down, you will see many people are saying that they got job as L2. See the results. Okay. And when you are getting results from the organization like networkings, so definitely it is worth to get enrolled. And if you are still, if you looking for some free courses, that is also available. You can see we are given this network animated free course, and you can enroll in this program also. Okay. So we have English courses, we have Hindi, some free courses are also available in the market. ओके, तो आप इनको भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हो जिस दिन तुम्हें लगे कि हाँ भाई बहुत अच्छा कंटेंट है तो एनरोल कर लो, सिंपल. ओके, नोबडी इज आस्किंग यू टू पे डायरेक्टली. ओके, जस्ट एनरोल इन फ्री कोर्सेज, चेक द कंटेंट एंड देन गो फॉर इट. Okay, I think you got the I hope you got the clarity that why we charge little more, if you feel like, because we are delivering double content than anyone in the world today. Okay, and not just this, this is live training. Okay, then you get unlimited lab access, okay, till your course is running. Additionally, if you miss any live class, you get the recording of the classes for 1 year. Okay, and after 1 year also, like you can pay just a small amount and you can renew with the latest updated videos as well. Okay, so there are a lot of benefits when you join networking, simple is that. Okay, that's my company, I can always market my company. Okay, that's my duty. Okay, Sir Vanu, I want to become any IT designate, but I have a lot of confusions. Because sometimes I think, okay, we go to software developer, sometimes database, or sometimes networking. Sarvanan, this is the same problem I faced when I was in my engineering. ठीक है, तो मुझे भी बहुत कंफ्यूजन हुआ था कि यार क्या करूं, मैं नेटवर्किंग में जाऊं, क्लाउड में जाऊं, क्या, क्लाउड तो तब था नहीं इतना. सो नेटवर्किंग और सॉफ्टवेयर लाइन में, ओके, आई वाज आल्सो कंफ्यूज्ड बिटवीन नेटवर्किंग एंड सॉफ्टवेयर. Okay, so then what I'd recommend you, there are many YouTubers also in for software line, and there are many people like us for networking. Okay, so just watch the content and try to check that where your interest level is increasing. तो 10-10 घंटे दोनों कंटेंट पढ़ो. कोई भी 10 घंटे का प्रोग्रामिंग का भी वीडियो होगा राइट यूट्यूब पे, और हमारा सीसीएनए का भी एक 10 घंटे का वीडियो है. ओके, जस्ट गो एंड सर्च हियर सीसीएनए नेटवर्किंग्स. Okay, so you get around 10 to 11 hours of CCNA free content. Okay, so that is in Hindi, English both. Okay, we got almost 900K views on that CCNA course. You can watch this 10-hour course, and if you feel like networking is cup of your tea, okay, so it is going to be easy for you to understand, then go and enroll in network programs. And if you understand that I want to go for any coding like maybe Python, okay, so there is another website we have, Coding Kings. Okay, still we are not focused on Coding Kings right away, but there are some videos like I think 7 hours of Python video also. You can see there is a, that is by Coding Kings, which is our subsidiary. Okay, so you can watch this Python content for 7 hours, and you can watch CCNA 10 hours. दोनों को कंपेयर करो कि मजा किस में आ रहा है, समझ कौन सा ज्यादा आ रहा है, तब डिसीजन लो कि मुझे क्या करना है. ओके, बिकॉज इफ यू टेक डिसीजन एंड यू गेट इनटू नेटवर्किंग, what if like you regret after 2 years after making career in networking or after making career in programming. So this is why experience both the technologies. Okay, experience with the free content, and when you decide that I want to become a network engineer, then go for paid programs. And why you should go for paid programs? Because you have already spent a lot of money in your degrees programs, like master degree programs, bachelor degree programs. And if you compare the price, okay, of these courses like CCNA, CCNP and all, which is almost like very low in comparison to what you have taken what you have done in the past, how much investment you have done in the past. Okay, because these things will definitely help you to get direct jobs. But BTech is just eligibility for you. BSc, BCA, BCA. So that is only eligibility. You won't get job just by that you are a BCA candidate or you are a BTech candidate. You need to upgrade skills, and this is why you need to find that what skill is best for you. Okay, I hope I have given your answer. Okay, yes, Mohammed, it is called quality of service. Okay, so what are the job trends requirements in the Middle East regions, especially in UAE? Roman, see, UAE, which is United Arab Emirates. Okay, it has around 7 countries, I think. Yeah. So Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah, all like 6, 7 countries, which is like one country only. Okay, so I was in Dubai. Okay, so like for almost 6, 7 months. Earlier, initially, like in 2012 around. Okay, I have seen a lot of challenges getting job as a fresher in UAE. Okay, in 2012, 13, because Dubai is a country who always go for the best people because they pay very well. So they will not look for freshers. Definitely get some 2, 3 year experience in your current country. Maybe you are in India or Pakistan, wherever you are. So get some 2, 3 years experience in India and then go for Dubai kind of countries, because I have personally feel that either you have to join basic jobs, okay, like computer, not even those basic IT jobs. Maybe I remember we were getting very, very basic jobs that time. And that's why I came back. And then I applied again. And then I get into, if you are getting direct job from India, then go for Middle East. Okay. But do not go and then look for job. That is not good. Okay. You will waste your money because tourist visa, you get 2 to 3 months, and 2, 3 months are not sufficient to get jobs in Middle East as a fresher. So what can I do, sir? I have already told you, I think. Okay, so this is the free course. The link is in the chat, guys. My Google wake up. Hi, Mahesh. What is the market value of network engineer? Too much, man. Tell me what packages you have seen in the market. Network engineers, network security engineers, cloud security engineers, they are getting salaries up to 80 lakhs, 1 crore also, but with experience. Freshers get 3 to 5 lakhs. Okay, so if they are getting a job directly in big companies, they can get up to 5 to 8 lakhs also. But the market value is too much already. Okay, because नेटवर्किंग यार बढ़ रहा है. अगर आप देखो ना, इंटरनेट यूजर्स बढ़ रहे हैं तो इंजीनियर्स भी बढ़ेंगे, राइट? But yes, but you do not have to learn only CCNA, CCNP. This is just a basic. So if you don't know what is CCNA, CCNP, so these are the programs. Okay, these are Cisco certifications. Okay, which will help you, to become network security engineer. After that, you have to learn any firewall. So I would highly suggest, if anybody wants to become a network security engineer, they can go for our combo, which is CCNA, CCNP firewall. Okay, which almost takes 7 to 8 months. And within 7, 8 months, like you can, after 3, 4 months, you can start applying jobs. But within 7, 8 months, you will become a network security engineer. Okay, that is this is the best recommended course. Do not go for CCI kind of programs if you are a fresher. Okay, CCI is a very advanced program which you should learn after 3 to 5 years of industry experience. Okay, so this video I'll create another. What is the impact of AI and machine learning? Maybe I'll take another live session for that. Hey George, so can people implement security protection? Yes. Okay, so the security solutions are also doing very well in the market. Okay, like there is a company called Zscaler. Okay, so that is very good in the market today, which provides cloud security. Okay, and they are increasing the, like, this is the, like, one of the fastest growing cloud security company, and their revenues are like almost $20 billion revenues. Okay, so definitely. And so this is actually a company made by one Indian. So he's the guy. You can look for Zscaler is definitely going wonders. Okay, so you can look for this, and it is in US, but the founder is Indian. Okay, hi sir, I'm fresher. Can you tell me the basic requirements to get into cybersecurity to land a strong foundation? Okay, so uh, I would again recommend you to watch our free course, which I have already shared the link. Okay, because you need to understand that how you become a network or this guy, what we call cybersecurity. Okay, so just check, scroll up and see the course. मैं दोबारा लिंक भेज देता हूँ. Let me share the link again. Okay, guys, there is a WhatsApp number also. If you need a counselor who will help you to decide that which course would be better for you, okay, you can WhatsApp us also. Okay, okay. Do not pay until you are convinced. Do not, and also try to look for the demo sessions. Okay, once you are convinced that yes, I can learn from networkings, then you can go and enroll for the programs. Okay. हाँ, तो फ्री कोर्स का लिंक ये था. कहाँ गया, मैं फिर बुला दिया. Yeah. So if anybody is not able to decide what they want to do in their career, so again I'm sharing that we have created some course which will help you to become, like, there are 4 or 5 videos of how to become network engineer. There are 4 to 5 videos how to become ethical hacker. There are 4 to 5 webinars we have done for cloud engineer. ओके, तो आप ये लो, इसके अंदर आपको पूरा डिटेल में समझ आएगा कि मुझे करना क्या है लाइफ में. बिकॉज पहले क्या है ना, पहले समझो कि क्या बनना है मुझे. ठीक है, बिकॉज बहुत सारे लोग हमें 5 5 साल बाद आते हैं, सर मुझे बनना तो साइबर सिक्योरिटी इंजीनियर था, बन गया मैं नेटवर्क इंजीनियर. ठीक है, तो ऐसी चीजें मत करो. ओके, सो सोचो आप 5 साल अगर साइबर सिक्योरिटी में ही रहे होते तो ज्यादा ग्रो कर रहे होते, है ना. सो डिसाइड दैट व्हाट यू वांट, बिकॉज साइबर सिक्योरिटी इज वेरी कूल, राइट. सुनने में हमें बहुत अच्छा लगता है साइबर सिक्योरिटी, बट एक बार पढ़ के तो देखो बेटा साइबर सिक्योरिटी, फिर पता चलेगा क्या होती है साइबर सिक्योरिटी. ठीक है, तो ये कई बार है ना, दिमाग में हम लगता है वो साइबर सिक्योरिटी हैकर बन जाएंगे हम रहे. जब उसने कंटेंट पढ़ते हैं ना, वो जब थोड़ी बहुत स्क्रिप्ट लगानी पड़ती है तो उनको नानी याद आती है फिर. ओके, सो कैन पीपल implement security? Okay, so that question is already done. How we study networking? Because I read and forget. I made notes but never read these kind of. Tell me the way to study. Okay, the best way to study is revise, 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 revise. Okay, the बहुत ज्यादा रिवाइज करना पड़ता है. Okay, this is IT. Okay, this is IT, and you need to relearn the things again and again. You need to learn, relearn, revise. Okay, again and again, and you can create your tracker also, like what we call. Uh, there is a concept which is called a learning pyramid. मुझे भी ये दिक्कत होती है, इसलिए मुझे सारी बातें पता है, क्योंकि जिस दौर से तुम गुजर रहे हो हम रह चुके हैं 10 12 साल उसमें. Okay, so many people, they learn but they forget, and this is the reason why. Because there is a concept which is called, okay, so there is a concept of what we call forgetting curve. Okay, let me tell you forgetting curve first. एक ही सेशन में इतना नॉलेज, just imagine what you will get in live sessions. Okay, my batch is also coming, guys. Okay, that is CCNA CCNP. If you guys want to join, my live batch is starting from 7th March. Okay, which is like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So if you guys want to join my batch, my name is Atul Sharma. Okay, 11 years industry experience. Okay, worked with the many good companies like Juniper Networks. Okay, Apple. स्पेलिंग गलत हो रहे हैं, तुम कहोगे काम करा भी है नहीं. Okay, so these are the companies I worked for. Okay, so and I was working as a TAC engineer. Okay, TAC engineer is like advanced version of network engineer and network engineer. Okay, so these were like that much experience I have gained. And if you want to join my batch, I'm taking Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. 7th March is the starting date, and 10 p.m. is the timing. So if anybody wish to join my live batch, okay, so the easy way to get into my batch is WhatsApp, because we believe we do not want to waste your time, our time, and directly we can start discussing about the program. And this is the WhatsApp link. You will get brochure directly. Okay, so once you WhatsApp us, you will get a brochure of the course, that what we cover. You get all the like, if because for first 100 users we are giving lab access complimentary, all those things. Okay, you can discuss with the team and they will help you. ठीक है, तो इस नंबर, ओके, जस्ट क्लिक एंड ऑटोमेटिकली व्हाट्सएप हो जाएगा. Okay, so coming back to the topic, okay, and nobody is forcing you, okay, by the way. Okay, if somebody is judging me that I'm sharing my WhatsApp number, okay, so nobody is forcing you. That's your choice. If you need help, if you need to choose the right program, if you want, then only WhatsApp. Okay, and if you looking still you are not convinced, अगर आपको अभी भी लगता है कि यार नहीं मुझे अभी बैच नहीं लेना है, आप अभी फ्री कोर्सेज देखो जो हमारे हैं. फ्री कोर्सेज से कुछ मिलेगा तो ही आगे जाना. ठीक है. Okay, so coming back to this, so we have forgetting curve. So what is forgetting curve? Because there is a question which somebody is asking, that I forget the things very easily. What is the good way to understand things? Okay, there is a forgetting curve, which means, so when you learn the things within 7 8 days, okay, your knowledge, what you learn, come back to again 2 to 3%. Okay, means you need to learn too much. And there is a concept which is called forgetting curve, that you need to revise the things on a specific time. मतलब आपको एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम पर एक पर्टिकुलर दिन पे रिपीट करना पड़ता है. ओके, सपोज यू लर्न टुडे एनी न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट लाइक ओएसआई मॉडल. Okay, then after 1 day you have to revise again, after 3 days then you have to revise, and after 7 days you have to revise. This is how you need to focus. And I recommend you can create Excel sheet कि कोई भी टॉपिक आप पढ़ रहे हो, whatever topic you are learning, okay, you are maintaining Excel sheet that I learned, first revision done. On the third day, put a reminder on your mobile that I want to revise OSA model. Only revise for 5 minutes. Do not again learn for 1 day. Just revise for 5 minutes. Then on the seventh day, revise again. And then go for 21st day. Okay, I remember that concept, that first, whenever you learn any topic, revise the next day. Then after 3 days. Then after 7 days. Then after 21 days. Then 90 days. So if you learn for 5 times, then the topic is almost 80% in your mind and you will never forget that topic. And just for the first time, you need to learn. But on the first day, third day, seventh day, maybe you need to revise only 5 minutes of that topic. And this is the best way. And this is a research. I'm not creating my own algorithms here. ये रिसर्च है भाइयों. ठीक है, ये मैंने नहीं बनाया. ये एम्बिग्यूअस फॉरगेटिंग कब होता है और इसके बारे में आप पढ़ सकते हो कि क्या ये. ठीक है, so you can look for this forgetting curve. Okay, so this is a forgetting curve is a ये पूरी रिसर्च हुई थी. Okay, 1880 1885 herman emingus ran a limited incomplete study on himself and published the hypothesis in 1885 that how to learn and how people forget the things. And this is the best thing, that you need to revise the things. And when you keep revising the things on a specific interval, then you do not forget. Okay, this is the, आई होप यू गॉट द पॉइंट दीपक. तो एक एक्सेल बनाओ और पेल दो कंटेंट को 5 5 बार. Okay, which AI is used for network enhancement? Currently, in Juniper networks, there is a AI software which is going on. Okay, again, telling you that I will take that is another session. But in Juniper, like already they have created one AI. Okay, so which we may discuss in the next videos. Okay, which is a product of Mist, basically Juniper Mist. So best suitable option for network engineer or Python automation. Learn first network automation, then go for Python automation. Okay, Python automation is also in DevOps, also in network. तभी मैं कह रहा हूँ आधे लोगों को पता बहुत कुछ है कि ये कर लेंगे वो कर लेंगे. Okay, many people they know that this is the current trend, but they don't know the exact path. and this is why I have given you that free course. Okay, go and learn this and you will understand exactly what you want to do in your life. Okay, so it is free, right? This is not paid again. Okay, so is chat gpt affected on networking infra? No, 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 no. Chat GPT can only write blogs properly. Okay, yeah, it can do some configuration, but Chat GPT is not able to configure router switches right now. Okay. Hi sir, I'm working as a desktop support engineer. Kindly suggest for which course? अभिषेक, ये सारे क्वेश्चन का जवाब यही कोर्स है जो मैंने आपको दिया है. ओके, तो जिन को भी ये डाउट हो रहा है ना कि क्या करना है, ओके, जिन लोगों को भी गाइडेंस चाहिए ना, मैंने 12 घंटे की गाइडेंस दी है इसमें. आराम से बैठ के 12 घंटे ना, पहले ये मन बनाओ करना क्या है. ठीक है. No, chat GPT is not affecting again. Where can we find freelance job on project for network engineer? Logesh, you can find on upwork.com. Okay, so this is a good website, but you need to be very focused on that. You need to apply jobs, like lot of jobs here. Okay, then you might get some jobs in networking. Like suppose if you search here Cisco. Okay, so maybe you can see this is the guy, they are charging like $60 hourly rate. Okay, इसने $50,000 यहाँ से कमाया है. Okay, so but yes, like you need to focus. Let first you need to give a lot of time on this website like Upwork. So after 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, okay, so then you will start earning here. So you can see there is a guy Vishnu. He's like almost earned $60,000 by working 905 hours. तो 900 घंटे इन्होंने यहाँ पे ऑनलाइन काम करा है और इन्होंने यहाँ से $60,000 कमाया है. ओके, सो ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग हैं यहाँ पे, देख सकते हो. एंड यू कैन स्टार्ट फाइंड वर्क वे टू अर्न. Okay, this is a good website, but you need to, whenever some job comes into Upwork, you need to apply. You need to अपना pitch देना होता है. जैसे शार्क टैंक पे pitch दे रहे हैं ना, ये कर लो वो कर लो, वही सीन है समझो. That you need to create a profile, you need to apply like a job, and then they will select you, they will take interview, and then you can charge, start charging $5, $7, $10, and then increase your rate according to your support. But you need to learn a lot of things, right? You can't get networking projects very easily here. Okay, but yes, there are options available. ओके, आपको सब पता है, आप ही भगवान हो. नहीं नहीं भाई, मुझे नहीं पता सब कुछ. So is AWS is better than endpoint security? Endpoint security is a different topic. Okay, endpoint security provides encryption and security to the user, but definitely if you are making career, okay, and if you are a fresher, then go for endpoint security. And if you are already experienced professional, then you can go for AWS cloud. So how much this will cost? I think if you are asking my batch, okay, so the best way to ask is like you can just WhatsApp on my team. They will instantly reply you. Okay, so the so we have cybersecurity master program also, which is combo of like certified ethical hacking and all. Okay, so like you can understand. Okay, so somebody is giving shout out us. He lives in US and NK is not expensive, because if you see the charges, what we are taking, it is like if you see the market of US, Canada, and all, right? We are charging almost like one third or maybe one fourth of the fee what people are charging in US, Canada, and we are giving you the much more detailed content. Okay, okay, like it is like CCNA CCNP for just imagine 180 to 200 hours. Okay, because if you focus on content, then you will never learn the things. Because I have seen people personally, trust me, I have seen people that they learn CCNA CCNP. After 1 year 2 years, they try to give interviews, they are not able to crack interviews, then again they invest in CCNA CCNP, then they again invest. So they keep learning. They are learning CCNA CCNP from 7 to last 7 8 years. उनको, because they are not able to get they are not able to what we call get confidence in CCNA CCNP. That's why they are not able to go further with firewalls, with SD WAN, with automation, because their NANP concept are not up to the mark. We networkings come to the picture and we say, rather than, I'm not saying that take all courses from networkings. At least if you are making career in networking, start at least with the CCNA or CCNP. With the networkings, you will automatically see the results. Okay, that why we are little different, okay, than others. And when you take the live classes with us, because these are live doubt classes, okay, and you also get some old batch, what we call the video courses also, because if you join today, so maybe you get a some course, so that till 7th March you have enough material to watch. Okay, so it means whenever you join any live doubt classes at networkings, you get the video courses of the same course on the same day. Like when you enroll for my this batch, you will get a CCNA video course on the same day, so that you can learn the concepts and you can come in live classes, okay, and ask your doubts. Okay, because live doubts are very important. What is the best simulator to practice for network architecture? Network architecture is a big domain, but yes, like there are many softwares in the market today. Okay, you can go for GNS3, okay, EVNG. Okay, and you need a good laptop for the practice. Okay, there are others also like Boson something, but Boson is uh, means good, but not good as GNS3 or even G. Thanks, Navin. Sir, I am as a desktop. Kindly switch. Okay, these questions I've already answered. How I'm doing network security. So what I do for cybersecurity. Shiv, once you become a network security engineer, okay, so once you get a job as a network security engineer, which is NSC, then you can start learning Linux, then you learn Windows Server, and then you take any cyber security course like Certified Ethical Hacking version 12, and then you can go for Windows pen test, okay, Linux pen test, okay, and then Active Directory pen test. Okay, so this is the career of cybersecurity. So once you already, if you have networking experience, okay, learn Linux, which is very important. Then learn Windows Server, because a lot of cybersecurity attacks are on Active Directory, which is like Windows Server. So learn Windows Server, learn Linux, okay, learn certified ethical hacking, which will help you to improve your certified ethical hacking, and then window pen test, Linux pen test, which is like helping people to protect Windows system, penetration testing, basically analyzing the vulnerabilities and finding the loopholes and fixing the issue. So this complete package is like cyber security master program. Okay, we start from basic Linux, Windows Server, and there are some courses what are highly chargeable in the market, which is like Security Plus, okay, maybe Network Plus, or maybe like A Plus. So these courses, we do not feel like they are very heavy. So when you enroll for these program, you get automatically these courses for free. Okay, when you join this combo, okay, so you can always ask A plus, N plus, Security Plus kind of basic courses free at networkings. Okay, because they are not actually helping you to become cyber security. These are just fundamentals, and fundamental knowledge is always like फ्री ओके फंडामेंटल नॉलेज तो फ्री होना चाहिए कि यार बेसिक जॉब तो लग जाए बंदे का तो इसी वजह से कम यूट्यूब में 600-700 वीडियो हम अपलोड कर चुके हैं हमारे 5 से 7 फ्री कोर्सेज आईटी कोर्सेज वी आर गिविंग वी हैव क्रिएटेड द रोड मैप कोर्स फॉर फ्री even we can charge almost like 5-10,000 for this also, right? That get proper cyber career guidance before taking any course. Do not waste money like that. But we are not taking that. We are giving you for free. But if this is free, do not think that it is just average content. trust me, we can charge 5 to 10,000, which is like $100 easily for that kind of courses. But we really want you to understand the career path, because there are many, very few in the market today. And this is what I experienced when I started my career 10, 11 years back, that there was no proper guidance at all. And that's why we have created this course. And we, as networkings, we really want to help people to get into IT. Simple. Okay. So I have CCNA exam completed. I want to see CCNP. Please share CCNA and CCNP future. Murari, already future is bright, man. Okay, do not focus on the things. If somebody is saying, okay, there is no future, okay, just ask him to come on a live session with Atul and discuss why it is, why you think there is no demand. I can openly challenge anyone, if anybody wants to come on live session, that if they can challenge me, that there is no scope of network engineers, because people are randomly creating content without any logics on YouTube. Okay, if anybody is creating. Okay, but yes, networking plus automation is there in demand, right? So definitely this is a best combo. This is going to life change for you, like CCNA, CCNP firewall, which will become you network security engineer. And after that, you can, if you really want to stay in networking, then go for SD-WAN, automation, like these courses. But if you want to get into cyber security after network security engineer, then you have to go for these courses as a cyber security engineer. Okay, the same package, like let me write here, very simple. If you want to remain into networking for decades, okay, तो अगर आपको networking में ही network automation में रहना है, तो ये combo आपके लिए बहुत best है. If you want to get into cyber security, okay, you can start with this. Okay, or there is another combo. You can start because cyber security, getting entry level jobs in cyber security is also a little difficult. So get highly paid network security engineer. So once you become network security engineer, then start your cyber security journey. This is also a very good plan, that do not directly start from cyber security. Start from network security, then shift to cyber security. This is the coolest trick people are following. Okay, that many people are doing that. And there is cloud security, which is cloud security. So this is the same thing you can go for. You can go start your career as network security engineer, and after that you can go for cloud courses like Azure 104, okay, Azure 500, which is very good certification in the market. मेरा बैटरी जा रहा है भाई, मैं जाने वाला हूँ. Okay, Azure 700. Okay, so this is a deadly combination right away and good demand in the market. So if you want to get into cloud security, CCNA, CCNP firewalls, and then Azure 104 administrator course, 500, 700, which is cloud security and cloud network engineer program. ये हम दिन रात बैठ के ना प्लानिंग करते हैं. हम लाइक जो भी नेटवर्क किंग्स में हम पढ़ा रहे हैं, सभी लोग 8-10 इंजीनियर्स जो फुल टाइम नहीं है हमारे साथ, दे आर लाइक हेल्पिंग पीपल टू लर्न नेटवर्किंग, साइबर सिक्योरिटी. वी हैव ऑलमोस्ट 30+ ट्रेनर्स एंड 10 आर हाईली एक्टिव. ओके, सो जो 10 हाईली एक्टिव इंजीनियर्स हैं, दोज हु आर टेकिंग ट्रेनिंग्स एट नेटवर्किंग्स, we collaboratively discuss and see the demand, and this is how we create combos. And I hope you have seen that we always change the combos, because whenever we feel this is the good thing. So this is, suppose like if you want to get into cloud security, earlier we used to ask people to get into AWS, but now we have seen that Azure is doing great in the security side. Mind is not absorbing too many things, learning slowly. Yeah, learning slowly is best thing. George, just wait for some time. You will get WhatsApp response. What is VoIP domain? Is it part of CCNA related? Yes, VoIP is related to CCNA. So after CCNA, you can go for CCNP collaboration, which is like the complete program for the people who want to get into IP phones, voice over telephony, and all. Okay, but I have seen very रैपिड डिक्रीज इन दिस डोमेन, बहुत जल्द ज्यादा डिक्लाइन हो रहा है, डिक्रीज हो रहा है इसका डिमांड. व्हाई द डिमांड इज डिक्रीजिंग? बिकॉज द platforms like Zoom meetings or Microsoft as Teams, so they are killing the market because all companies are having calls on Microsoft Teams, Zoom calls. That's why. So what to do, sir, to get a job? Will gap matter? Gap matter तो करता है थोड़ा बहुत, but you can always show that you worked in a family business, and this is why you have a gap. I'm working as a senior network security engineer in SD1 right now, but my concepts are not clear. I'm confused in which field should I go with routing, switching, or SD1. So Rambo, if your concepts are not clear, okay, so we have taken one SD1 batch, okay, just 2 months back, where the trainer has given the what we call he so that trainer actually spoon feed the candidates. I think if you ask networkings, maybe you can take that SD1 video course and just check the demo first, and if you feel like that is good for you, you can revise your SD1, or you can take our CCNP plus SD1. Okay, and when you guys, you if you do not have time to learn live, okay, we have all access pass also, okay, which is currently very soon we are going to come up with the 50% off on that. Okay, just stay tuned for that program. Okay, so we are coming on that. Okay, so we have a combo which is called All Access Pass. Okay, if you do not have time to learn live, okay, you want to learn, but as a video courses, we have created like 35 to 40 courses in networking, like CCNA, cybersecurity, Python, CCNP Enterprise, MPLS, Windows Server, Cisco, Meraki, Palo Alto Firewall, CCNA, Checkpoint Firewall, Linux, CompTIA, F5 Load Balancer, ASA, SD-WAN. Okay, from beginners to the advanced level, we have created all the courses. Okay, and you can take all access pass. This is what we call all access pass. Okay, and you can also watch the demos. Okay, this is recently we have done. Okay, so whenever you want to see any demo, suppose you want to see Palo Alto videos or maybe cyber DIY. Okay, so you can always see this small icon preview, and you can see the demos. Okay, like season interview questions are there, you can preview and see the demo. Okay, and enroll for these programs. Okay, so if you are interested for that program, you can again contact networkings. Okay, fill form on nwkings.com, or you can WhatsApp on this number. Okay, which is like you need to add India code, which is 91. These are the two methods. You go to this website and fill a form, and you WhatsApp on this number to get what we call like all access pass. If anybody is interested for all access pass and live training, so they have to contact us from these two options. And if anybody is interested only for free course, so this free course I have already shared in the chat. What if I miss any? Yeah, if you miss any class, you will get the video recording. Thanks, Pratik. Pratik is already my student. Hi. Okay, Sai is getting so Sai got a job after doing CCNA in my batch. Good, Sai. How can cybersecurity protect a company asset? See, cybersecurity is a big domain, George. You need to understand first what is cybersecurity, and there are two type of cybersecurity: offensive and defensive. Okay, if you go to the defensive side, you need to understand the firewalls. You need to protect from cloud security platforms like Zscaler or Palo Alto firewall and all. Okay, so you can protect a company network with the firewalls. You can protect a company from cloud security as well. And if you go from the offensive side, like you can do a lot of testing, which is called penetration testing. You can find loopholes, you can find bug bounties, and all those things. Is it okay? You need to find the loopholes in the company applications, company like web malware analysis. There is a web application malware analysis. Okay, there are a lot. It's a very big domain. Yeah, it's a very big domain. DevOps is after networking. Is it worth? No. If you really want to get into DevOps, just learn networking fundamentals, learn Linux fundamentals. Okay, there are almost 10 to 11 things you have to do to become a DevOps engineer. Okay, but yes, DevOps is again like I have seen that companies are not hiring freshers as a DevOps engineer. This is my personal opinion. Rest you can check on YouTube if anybody is taking DevOps batches. Okay, I hope I have cleared all your doubts, guys. Yeah, we do not have Zscaler right now, but if you understand Palo Alto or any kind of good firewall, you will be able to understand Zscaler because their functionality is on the VPNs, like IPsec VPNs. Okay, so thanks everyone. I'm again sharing this guidance course, free course link to everyone. Okay, at least join this. Okay, so when you join this course, just understand, just have a mindset that this is free, but it is more valuable, and try to watch it completely. Okay, so that you will have a good idea. CCNA CCNP course is enough to get a job. Yes, it will help you to get a job. You can join my batch, and I'll help you definitely so that you will get a job as a network engineer. But I would also suggest you to take any firewall along with my batch. Okay, like maybe you can take a basic firewall like Palo Alto. Okay, Palo Alto is not a basic firewall, but yes, you can start with this combo. You can take CCNA CCNP from me and Palo Alto. Like there will be another instructor, so you can take CCNA CCNP Palo Alto, which is like my this is called a network engineer combo. Okay, so when you discuss with my team, you can ask that I am interested in CCNA CCNP Palo Alto. Okay, I am interested in this. Okay, thanks everyone. Bye bye. Namaste. Good night.